Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I am analyzing this stock Aarti Industries. If you will watch this stock carefully, then you will find out that this stock has actually made a bearish sort of a candlestick pattern. See, this is a full bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Why this is bearish engulfing? Just because on the previous day market was bullish. Okay, the buyers were active, and what happened today? Today the sellers have become more active. Why? Because see, in 15-minute time frame, if you will watch this stock, you will see that on the very first 15-minute candle the market opened bearish. It opened around here 1799 1800 rupees. It went a little upside towards 1815 rupees, and then it has fallen till 1769 rupees. Can you imagine? Within a span of, you can say, 15 minutes, the stock has came down 2.5%. Okay, around 2.5% the stock has come down. So what can you say? What can you say after that? You can say that the sellers have taken control in the morning itself. What happened afterwards? Afterwards the stock made another low in the next 15 minutes. After that another low, gave a retracement, fell again. Okay, so this is how a stock behaves. If it has to fall, it will continue to fall. After taking its first retracement, it is falling, and if it had to go towards the upside, and if it wants to go towards the upside, what will happen? See, if it will fall, it will take a bit of retracement, and it won't fall below the low of first instance. Okay, see, the stock went up and slightly up. What happened today? Stock went down, gave a retracement, and after that started falling and falling. So what are the levels for this stock now? Should you exit or not? Let's discuss it right now. See, if you'll watch this stock closely, you will find out that this stock had a swing low of this region. Okay, as I've been clearly telling you, 671, and the swing high of this region 1800 and 16 17 20, whichever you count. Okay, what can happen next? If you can analyze Fibonacci levels, then you will find out that if you will take this level as swing low, okay, see, sorry, this level as swing high, this level as swing low, then you will find out that share went up till 1.272, again started to fall, took support around this region 876 839, again started to go towards upside, again made a double top kind of a pattern, again fell, again took support here, again went up, again took support at this level, again went up, again took support, again went up. What happened now? See, from its low, the stock has already gave an increment of 261%. Okay, the stock has given 261% retracement, sorry, you can say 261% growth from its previous low, right? From its low, what can happen next? If the stock needs to get the first correction, it will come around 241%, which is around 1642 rupees. Okay, and if you will bring up these levels, then you will find out that 2.72 means from 261% to the fall of 2.27, which means 227%, the stock will go towards 1577, and if a further fall comes, the stock will come towards 1468. If a further fall comes, the stock can come towards 1316. So these are few Fibonacci levels, but if you want me to analyze it more precisely, I will analyze it like this. See, in a simple language. Okay, this was low, this was high. What has happened today? A bearish engulfing pattern where the stock has a support around 1572 region. Simple and crisp and clear. Okay, from this level to this level, if you will apply a Fibonacci level, you will find out that 1572 will act as a support for this stock. Okay, or the stock may test 1572 level in future if it continues to fall. But when will it start falling? What is the resistance? Where lies the resistance on intraday levels? So let us discuss that. See, if you will watch this stock closely in 15-minute or 30-minute time frame, you will find out that the sellers have entered the market at this region, right? 1795 rupees. Okay, this was the previous swing low where the stock was taking support. And what happened? The stock went up towards this level, came down, took support at this level, started to bounce back, and then it has given a clear breakdown below this support, right? And it has started to fall. So what does that mean? This means that this region 1750 to 1755 will again act as a resistance for this stock. Okay, so this is a resistance for this stock, 1750 to 1755 rupees. Okay, what can happen if the stock further opens or goes above this level? If the stock will open or go above this level, it will make this level as support. It will try to bounce from this level, but if it fails to bounce from this level, again breaks this, you can short it below this. And what if you have an investment, or you can say long-term holding in this stock? So if you want to book profit, okay, or you want to trail your stop loss, you should keep your stop loss around this region, 1625 to 1630 rupees. Okay, and if the stock falls, you can continue to short this stock. Okay, and if you will ask me in terms of EMA, see, the stock was super bullish. Okay, it has never retraced 34% or you can say 60% in few weeks. Okay, so what will happen? The stock will eventually give some sort of a retracement. It can't run like this, that it will run 24x7, right? So what can happen? The stock may get stuck in this range, okay, or it can go below today's low. If it will go to below today's low, it can test 1600 level also, 1557 to 1600 level also, right? Because the new buyer came around here. Okay, and the new buyer came around here, made the price go towards the upside. The new sellers have come at this price, right? If the new sellers have come in this stock around this price, then what will happen? They will try to push down and make the buyers venture for the profit. Okay, if the buyers fail to take profit or they fail to book profit, then what? They will lose their profit. So buyers will also turn seller below this level, right? So as soon as they will turn seller below this level, the stock will fall, right? So if you want to trail your stop loss in this stock, Aarti Industries, you can trail it around 1625-24 rupees. And if tomorrow the stock starts to fall below today's lows, then you can even short this stock in intraday if you have a holding in this stock. Okay, so this is my analysis for Aarti Industries. Thank you for watching.